Is it correct that you hold the rank of the superintendent?
That is correct, my lord.
Iqiniso ukuthi wena usuperintendent uthi yebo.
In your affidavit, at paragraph 3.1,
Okay.
the second affidavit.
Okay, let me go to 3.1. The second,
The second affidavit.
how many pages?
Paragraph 3.1.
There's how many pages? Because I don't want to
The thick one. The thick affidavit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Paragraph-
Exhibit triple A2 in bracket. Exhibit triple A2 in bracket.
Okay. Paragraph
3.1.
3.1. Okay.
Is it correct that in that paragraph you stated that it was on Thursday, 14 September 2023 when you received a request letter, open bracket, SAP 21, close bracket, from Brigadier Gininda, an investigation officer attached to the SAPS National Court Case Unit as per Phosphorus, case 636 of 10, 2023?
Yes, I'm the one who put the statement, my lord.
Iqiniso ukuthi wena uye washo ukuthi ngey14 zika September kwakade kungulosine u2023 la uye wathola incwadi ebeyibuya kuBrigadier Gininda ukuthi usebenza kuleli qala elase Phosphorus case 63610 2023 uthi yebo iqiniso.
I think there was a typo there because the case that you are dealing with is Phosphorus case 636 of 10, 2014, not 2023.
But in my evidence in chief, I did.
Oh, you did?
I did. If you're listening, in my evidence in chief, I went back and said, my lord, I noted a
Okay, 20. Okay, but the cross. Okay.
Uthi ke ngibona impazamo lapho la ukuthi leqala ubhale ukuthi lika 2023 kodwa iqala lika 2014 uthi yebo ngiye ngasho ukuthi mina ngiye ngayenza impazamo ngiye ngatshela inkantolo ukuthi ilungise.
Do you have the copy of the email that was referred to you by Brigadier Gininda making that request?
I have it, but it's classified information. I cannot be able to share it unless if the court order.
In what sense is it a classified information?
It's a letter. It's a letter which is marked restricted. So there's a level of confidentiality in each every letter that you receive. That's why I'm saying, from time to time when you receive a letter, you need to understand whether the letter is classified or not classified.
Unayona incwadi le ewuthi uyithole i-email esuka kuBrigadier Gininda uthi yebo ikhona kodwa yona iyimfihlo akusiyincwadi engayikhipha nje ngaphandle kokuthi inkantolo ithi ngiyikhiphe leyo.
Before I proceed, I will be asking questions on behalf of accused number 4, Mr. Mapisa.
Okay, my lord, I'm listening.
Ngizobuzela imibuzo engiyibuzayo ngiyibuzela umnumzana uMaphisa.
In your evidence in chief, Superintendent, you told this court that the accused visited the registering authority in Kwanongoma. You recall that?
My lord,
Do you remember that in your evidence in chief, you told the court that the accused visited the Kwanongoma registering authority?
my lord, if I may be allowed, can I go to the paragraph so that we are up to speed? Because what I remember is that I indicated the transaction that was performed. Then I explained as to what is it that transaction was performed. And I said, in this case, the accused performed this transaction at Nongoma.
Okay.
Usakhumbula ukuthi uthe umsolwa uye waya kwi-department yokuyolungisa i-license noma i-learners kwaNongoma uthi mhlawumbe uma ngingaya kuyo bese ngiyafunda ngisho ukuthi yebo into engikhumbulayo ukuthi nje ngiyengacacisa ukuthi kubonakala ukuthi wayekade eye kwaNongoma.
Okay, can you then go to that paragraph?
Okay.
Ungaya ke kuleyo paragraph uthi usaya khona.
Just to check with you if it is the correct number 6.11 says on the 25th of July 2014, notice transaction 57, which is in the bracket present introduction, was performed on the accused ID number 85-100-4620-2081 on computer workstation ID number 43180007. at Prakpane Registering Authority by the official identifier SPL, which are witness user number 4025F00R. I'm not sure if you are referring to this paragraph.
No, I'm referring to the one that you said he visited the Ngoma Registering Authority.
Okay, let me read through and check where this Ngoma. Then I'll okay, this one. See, this one is Prakpane. Okay, going forward. Let's see this one. Going forward.
Ubeka sanda kufunda lesicelo ebesifakwe eBrakpan manje ummeli uthi ufuna ambonise la bekubhalwe kwaNongoma.
Now I remember, my lord, I was led to populate this information on the screen, and I was asked a question as to what is his address, and I read it out on record. It was not in the statement.
All right.
Uthi ke ngiyakhumbula ke manje Nkosi enkantolo ukuthi mina ngiye ngafunda lokho okubhalwe lapha mangiqeda ngabuzwa ikheli lakhe into eyikuthi iye yavela lapha yana kumabona kude akusiyinto eyikuthi ibhalwe lapha.
You also referred in your evidence in chief to the number 078 3436233.
My lord, maybe let me open, because now when you say that number, I don't know it by heart.
All right.
So that I can able to agree. Is it okay that I open the live system?
You can open the live stream.
Uye wakhuluma ngenombolo yocingo uthi ngicela ukuthi ngivule ngikwazi ukuthi ngiyibone ngoba leyo nombolo mina angiyazi ngenhliziyo.
You say you don't remember it by heart.
That's correct, my lord.
Your heart performs many duties. I'm joking, as you know. By heart.
I open the live system, and now I'm going to check this one. Okay. So I'm going to check the contact number. I'm going to type in the accused ID number. For the purpose of record, is 851004620281.
Sekayifakile ke maphisa enombolo yakho yozaziso.
We are on the screen. The number that I confirm is 07834362233.
Uthi inombolo yakho u07834362233.
From where we are reading this number, is it provided in one of the annexures? From where we are reading the number, is it provided in one of the annexures?
I don't. Maybe let me check. I don't know. Can I quickly check?
Okay, maybe if I can assist you.
Can I quickly check?
Okay.
Le nombolo uyifunda lapho ikhona na kulobufakazi uthi ngicela ukuyibhekisisa.
Can we quickly go to annexure MCC10?
MCC10.
Yes.
MCC10. Yes, I'm there, my lord.
Is that number provided?
The number here is 07834362233. It matches with the one that is on the screen, my lord.
Inombolo le uyisho laphayana iyafana nale ekule ncwadi uthi yebo ziyafana.
The number that you are reading from the annexure, is it the number that you are reading from the screen?
My lord, you referred me to annexure MCC10. So I'm on MCC10. It's a corporate, it's a receipt of payment.
Okay.
Le nombolo osanda kuyifunda iyafana nalena ukuthi ibhalwe laphayana kumabona kude uthi Nkosi enkantolo ungise ku MCC10 mina ngifunda into elapho ekwi receipt.
Yes, I mean the receipt where we are reading the number, the 078 number. Is it the receipt that is on the screen?
On the screen is not a receipt. The number that is on the receipt and the one that is on the screen are the same.
Uthi laphayana kumabona kude nenombolo elana kule receipt inombolo efanayo.
Okay, the document that is on the screen, what is that document?
The one that is on the screen is a query. When you query someone, you want to know their personal information.
Lana ekumabona kude yini njengoba uthi le receipt uthi le uma ufuna ukwazi imininingwane yomuntu ubuka kuyona bese uzokwazi ke imininingwane yakhe lo muntu.
Does that query on the screen form part of the annexures?
My Lord, I was led to populate the information on the screen during the court proceedings. So this information that is on the screen is not part of the annexures.
Manje lobufakazi lobu obula kumabona kude bona bukhona la kulamaphepha wakho uthi cha ithe uma ngilibele ngiphana ngobufakazi ngiye ngacelwa ukuthi ake ngizibeke kumabona kude lezinto engizichazayo ingakho ngiqinise ukuthi ngivula lapho.
When was that query made? When was the query made?
Which query?
The query.
This query?
Yes.
I'm just doing it live now, my Lord.
All right. When was it made? You said it is a query.
No, a query meaning that it's a language that I'm using to say I want to check your personal information.
Oh, okay.
That's what
all
it
right.
means. Not necessarily that there's a query in terms of in that context.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
Manje ke lokhu kwenziwe nini uthi ngiqeda ukwenza manje uma ngichaza leli gama elisho phecelezi ukuthi iquery ukufuna imininingwane akusukuthi into eyikuthi iyadingeka manje kodwa ngiyiveza manje njengoba ikuthi ngibuzwa imibuzo ngayo.
Besides the information, I'm referring you now to Annexure MCC10.
MCC10.
Yes, of Exhibit Triple A2 in bracket.
MCC10.
Yes, besides the number that is depicted there, do you have any other records as proof that the number belongs to accused number 4? Mtowozi Zipozonke Mapesi.
My Lord, that is the one that was furnished to the driving license testing center by the accused.
Manje ngaphandle kwayo le nombolo ikhona enye into engabonisa ukuthi ngempela le nombolo eyakhe umsola wesine na uthi le inombolo esanikwa yona laphayana department ye driving license.
When was that number provided to the department?
My Lord, if I may be given a moment, I will go to his profile because everything in the system leave audit trail. So it will tell when the number was provided, who entered it, everything. Just a few moments, my Lord. If I may I proceed?
Yes, you may proceed.
Ngicela ukunikwa isikhathi ukuthi ngibheke ukuthi inombolo le sanikezwa nini ngoba yonke into ekwisystem iyasho ukuthi yafika nini sayinikwa yathathwa ubani leyo mininingwane.
Do you need more time?
No, I'm just quickly going to check, my Lord. I'm just quickly going to check.
My Lord, I request that we take a short adjournment because I'll also request that I be provided with a copy.
Yeah, let him finish, please. Sorry, have you finished your colleagues with this?
I've just received it, my Lord. My Lord, I see that it is 11:15.
Yeah,
I think
that's the witness.
We give him some time.
Yeah, I want to see him doing it. When I come here, if he has done it without me seeing it, I'll also be having problems.
As a court pleases. Thank you.
My Lord, on the screen that I've populated here, there was a change of address to address particulars. So the accused was staying in 4278 Zake Road, Postleras, Boxford, before it was changed to Nongoma.
Kusenkantolo la ngibonisa khona manje kunala ukuthi ikheli liye laguqulwa umsolwa yena wayekade ehlala e4278 emgaqweni kwizakhe ngaphambi kokuthi ayohlala kwaNongoma laphayana kulomgwaqo kuzakhe bekade kusePostleras.
Then I agree that the contact number was changed on this date, because when I checked on the date before, there were no contact number.
Ngizovuma-ke ukuthi inombolo yakhe yocingo ingahle iguqulwe ngalo lelo langa ngoba la bengibone eqala inombolo yocingo yayikade ingekho.
Is that an assumption, sir?
I wouldn't say it's an assumption, because the number that they capture on the system is that one that you provide.
So there is no way it is provided that it was changed on that day when the residential address was changed.
Remember, we are issued with a form to complete your details. So when they capture your number, it will be captured as such.
Manje ke wena uyacabangela na ukuthi inombolo yocingo iye yaguqulwa ngalo lelo langa uthi akusinto engicabangelayo into eyukuthi ibhaliwe la kwi-system. Ungakhohlwa ukuthi uma ufika unikwa iform ekuthi uyaligcwalisa ugcwalisa imininingwane yakho yonke bese kugcwaliswa kwi-system lento ewuyibhale kuleli form la.
Where was
continue.
Where was this change of address made?
The change of address was made by official identified as XSC Sangwin. 232, let me just quickly check. Nongoma.
Ikheli leli liye laguqulwa kuphi uthi liye laguqulwa umuntu obekade sebenza yena ubekade ku XS Sangweni ikheli liguqulwe kwaNongoma.
What is the date?
The date is 2015-02-13.
Ilanga elaguqulwa ngalo belithini uthi lalithi 2015-02-13.
My Lord, at this moment I request that we adjourn for a short adjournment for a tea break.
Okay, 15 minutes.
Thank you.